Redmi is unveiling K100 Pro Max, featuring a premium quad-curve metal frame, a one-piece metal camera deco, and a brand new floating light ring. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system. It is equipped with an AMOLED touchscreen display with 6.9 inches screen size, 185 Hz refresh rate. Talk about the performance. There will be Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset paired with a Octa-Core CPU. RAM will be 16 GB and storage will be 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. There will be triple camera setup back on the phone. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide and 50 megapixel ultra wide with a 50 megapixel telephoto periscope lens. Front camera will be 32 megapixel. Battery will be massive one. That will be 9000 mAh. Paired with a 100 watt fast charging. It is IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.